Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch this sea slug in Heartopia. So Heartopia right now has a new event that called Call of Whales event, and then in here you catch any fish or any marine animal. One of them is this sea slug. This one is so cute, and to get this sea slug actually is very easy. First, you just need to join the narrative soul event, and it's found all time, almost all weather. So just go to the whale sea and then just meet Vanya on here, this one, and then next just join this narrative show event. You can just join it when the event held by Vanya every 6 p.m. Or you can also initiate this event yourself by paying to Vanya with the 2000 gold, and then after that you can just join the event like usual, and then usually you will get this sea slug at the phase 2. So make sure you join this event until it finishes, and after that in the phase 2 you can get the chance to get this sea slug like this. You can also use the Fish Attractor or Mermaid Perfumes to increase your chances. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!